Hi! In front of me is Hotwav Part 8, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, select App Settings. Click on Most Recent and select the best option for you, like Most Frequent. Now just tap on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by choosing the same now gray sweater. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!